Hello, good morning. This is Sangeeta, Assistant Professor, ECE Department, SNS College of Technology. So today we are going to discuss about the fundamental steps in digital image processing in the first unit of digital image processing. So let us have a empathy points. Why we need digital image processing? So there are many applications in digital image processing for analyzing medical images, for security purpose, security and surveillance purpose. We need digital image processing, and for satellite and for industrial automation, automatic processing of industrial. So for this we need digital image processing. So in this video we are going to cover what are the steps involved in digital image processing. So first there are 10 steps involved, that is image acquisition, image enhancement, image restoration, color image processing, wavelets multi-resolution processing, image compression, morphological processing, segmentation, representation, description and object recognition. So these are the fundamental steps involved in processing the image in digitally. So the first step is image acquisition. Image acquisition means capturing the image and digitizing visual information from the real world. So what we are capturing in the real world is an analog image. It should be converted into digital form. So what are the main points we have to consider while capturing the image? That is illumination source, imaging system, sensors or cameras used. So we have to consider resolution, lighting conditions, sensor sensitivity and sampling and quantization technique. Sampling and quantization techniques are used to convert analog into digital image. Generally, sampling and quantization are used to convert analog to digital. So, the next one is image enhancement. Image enhancement means enhancing the image, that is to improve the quality or visibility of the image. So, the process involved in this step to is like improve the contrast and brightness of the image. So there are two domains. One is spatial domain and frequency domain. So in spatial domain, that is example point operator histogram processing comes under spatial domain. But in general, in spatial domain, the image are directly manipulated in the image, that is image plane itself. So image is a two-dimensional function, that is f of x comma y, and it is represented in matrix form. So the pixels are the smallest element in the image, and in the frequency domain the image are converted to, that is in frequency domain the image should be converted from spatial domain to frequency domain. Why we are transferring, that is translating from spatial domain to frequency domain, means to analyze the image or to remove the noise is very easy in frequency domain. That's what we are using image transforms. So the image transform is a technique used to convert the image in spatial domain and frequency domain. So frequency domain means that is it modifies the rate of change of intensity. In spatial domain, the pixels are directly manipulated, and in frequency domain, it modifies the intensity value of the pixels. So there are many applications, as I told already: medical imaging, satellite imagery and photography, forensic analysis, security and surveillance are the main applications of digital image processing. And image restoration. Image restoration means that is we are restore the image from the degraded one. Because if we shake the camera, the image may be blurred and the image may be shaked, and due to the sensor, the image may be blurred. So all these images can be recovered using some filtering techniques. This is called image restoration. So what are the filters can we use? Inverse filtering, Venus filtering, constrained least squares. So these are the filters and techniques we can use for restore the image from the degraded one. So noise reduction, defocus correction, atmospheric distortion correction are the some reasons, so it can be recovered using this image restoration techniques. The next one is color image processing. The basic colors are red, green, blue, and the other colors are cyan, magenta, yellow, and we have to correct hue, saturation and intensity. So the color transformation, color space conversion, histogram processing are used for color image processing. And wavelets and multi-resolution technique. So multi-resolution technique means we can process the image in variable resolution. Resolution means number of pixels per inch, that is PPI. More resolution we can get sharper and clear picture, and wavelets are the technique used to analyze the image in multi-resolution processing. And the next one is image compression. So image compression, that is reducing the amount of data required to represent an image while maintaining acceptable quality. Uh, Using this compression technique, we can reduce the storage space also. So there are two types of compression: lossless compression and lossy compression. For example, in medical imaging, we can use only lossless compression because every details we need for perfect diagnosis of the disease. And for morphological, next step is morphological processing. This technique is used to extract the image components based on their shapes, structures. So the main operations involved in morphological processing are erosion, dilation, opening and closing. This also includes noise removal, edge detection, skeletization, object segmentation are the process involved in morphological processing. And these are the basic steps involved, that is other or object recognition, description, that are those steps are involved while using a complex image. So if we take a picture in a satellite, it will be definitely it will be a complex one. That time we can use the segmentation, and after that after segmenting the image, that is partitioning the image can be described, and that is labeling, and each partition is described for further examining. And object recognition is the next process of image segmentation. So summary and mind power. Fundamental steps involved in digital processing is image acquisition, image enhancement, image restoration, color image processing, wavelets, multi-resolution, compression, morphological processing are the basic fundamental steps. Object recognition, description are the basic steps involved in digital image processing. Hope this video will help you to understand the basic steps involved in digital image processing. Thank you.